Well, welcome back again. And I'm pretty excited to be moving along here, stage by stage. I'm getting ready to prep this floor. I got a few more plastic caps to pop into these holes. And these were the ones that were used to fasten the seats down, as I mentioned earlier. I've got some prep work to do with the primer on some of these areas that were filled or needed sanding. And then it's on to applying the sound deadening material on this section. Well, hooray. Primer is dry and I am ready for stage 2 of applying sound deadening material. Again, Siless. This is 157 millimeters. This roll is much lighter than the box. That covers 36 square feet. This also covers 36 square feet. There you go. So the theory of getting this particular product, actually there were a few of them, but the most important one for me as far as this floor goes was trying to get it down a little quicker. It's not that those tiles, those 200 millimeter tiles were tough, a little bit time consuming. I'm hoping this does save a little bit of time. Should I worry about that? No. Most importantly, it's about getting this the way I want it. I've got a few areas I want to trim up right there, and then I'm going to start peeling this back and laying it down. As far as the behind the cards go, all that's going to get material also, just a different type. As I complete this last run, you'll notice that all of the ends butt up to each other. The plan will be to cover those with foil tape. All right, so there we go. The living area has sound deadening material. Now, if you notice, I've got a couple that are bubbling up here. Maybe bubbling up isn't the term. I tried to keep everything in line so there was no overlapping. And in doing so, some of it I stretched a little too tight. So learn from that. Don't try to pull or stretch in a different direction. Try to run your line as clean as you can, which I tried to do. But on the packaging it says no heat gun required, which totally makes sense. But I'm thinking, which I do have a heat gun, if I take a heat gun to this, maybe this will warm this and make this a little more pliable so I can get it to stick. It's not the warmest day today in March in North Florida. It's probably about 65 degrees, so that's not exactly warm as far as Florida temperatures go. And maybe by a little extra heat, that'll help get those seams down. That completes part 2 of installation. I hope this video was of some help to you, and if it was, I'd love a thumbs up. Part 3 will be the walls of the van. And until next time, take care.